Hey, welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get started with your you launch your app. Buy app.
my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
That you just chose that model, you can click there and see the details, their performances, the prices, and what they're better for, what you could use them for. All right, so when I click that, I add that there. So these are the models I want to use for this task or for this session or forever or whatever. So I have them, so you have to confirm them here before they get used. Just being here, they cannot be used. The system doesn't see them yet. They have to be here, so you have to confirm them in here. You chose them here, and then you have to confirm them here so that they are listed here. So this way we confirm them. So we already did this one, it's there. This one we already did. Preview is there. Now we need to do chat 2.5 Lite as chat. Double click on that, it appears here, and you have to confirm the agency. We chose it to work in the chat department. Now 2.5 flashlight is going to work in the chat department, so we have to confirm that here, and then we need to put the API key. So now we need to copy, bring our API key and paste in here. I'm gonna do that offline. Okay, I'm gonna paste my API key here. Okay, so we have 3 models there configured, so that's good. Just refresh here. Now this is how we have our element fixed up. Okay, so we have these 3 models configured here. They are the active profiles we're using here: Gemini 3 Flash Preview, Gemini 2.5 Flash as admin, the other ones as coder, and then chat as chat 2.5 flashlight. This is a very small model, has a very small price. Let me see. This one is 30 cents per million token input and €2.50 per million token output. That's 2.5 flash. And then Gemini 2, so you can see the prices here and all the properties about that model. All right, you can see them here. Helps you contextualize your price and control cost. And here you have Gemini 2.5 Lite is 10 cents per million token, guys. It's just 10 cents per million token. You don't need to go anywhere to know exactly how much you're consuming, and just 40 cents per million token output. And then let's go to this one, the coder 3 flash preview. It's 50 cents per million tokens input, and €3 per million token output. So not that expensive. We don't need, you will now see, because of this, as you will see along the line, when you mix and match these LLMs, you get the best results out of them. You don't need to use these expensive models. You don't need to, but they are there if you want to. Okay, so we have this. Let's go to the front end and make sure that we are able to communicate. Let's start a new chat. That's how you start a new chat. You click on the pencil button there, because the past chats are listed here. So these are the chats that were already there. So let's start a new chat. Blank slate. Of course, you can close this chat bar if you want. This now a sidebar if you want to. Okay, now let's start a chat. Let's say hi. Oh, come on. Hi there. If you want to go to new line, you press on shift. If you don't press on shift, you hit enter, it will submit. So if you don't want to submit and you want to go to new line, you press shift and then hit enter before it goes to new line. So hi there, introduce yourself. Okay, remember this is a very small model, 10 cents, maybe you could see. So it introduces, say hi, hello there, I am SyntaxMatrix. So for you, yours will not be saying SyntaxMatrix AI as we're going to see. You customize it to your company. It will say I am XYZ from company XYZ. This is mine AI. That's why it's saying I am working for SyntaxMatrix Limited. Okay, so our chat is working. Let's go back to the admin panel. So the next thing I want us to do now is we go to secret. So if you don't know where we're going to go to system, so it brings out the system there. Go to manage secrets. Here we need to get our API key, Pixabay API key. The LLM, the AI will use the Pixabay API key to go and fetch pictures from pixabay.com, free authorized pictures, so that to scaffold your pages. When you're generating pages, it would scaffold the pages with images. All right, so it needs to get access to images, clean, nice, quality images online. So it will go to Pixabay and get this. So you need to get a Pixabay API key. This is free, it won't cost you anything. So go to pixabay.com. So when you go to pixabay.com, if you don't have an account there, just create an account. You can use your Google account. You create a new account. Once you log in into your Pixabay API, Pixabay website, or to your Pixabay account, scroll down to so leave it there. You save there. If you save, it will appear here. I'm not going to do that because I already have mine there. Once you do that, you go to admin panel, and then we can now generate. Let's do a test generation of a page. Okay, so I have these ones already done. Let's say I already have service page. Let's say I want to delete those ones. Let me say I want to take out the service page. As you can see here, these boxes are ticked because this is to show or to display the page you generate on the navbar. Right, if you don't want it to be to appear on the navbar, you're gonna, when you're generating it, you can tick this one off, or even when it is ticked, you can take it off. Okay, for example, we have home there, or let's say services. I don't want services to display on the navbar. So when I untick, I have to untick, and then I save. So we no longer have services on the navbar. But then let's say we want to delete that services. I want to create it again. Or let's say we have another one called blog. Let me just leave it down there. Let's say we want another page called blog. We come here, we say blog. Okay, I want it to appear on the navbar. Yes, so I leave a tick there. That's it. Blog. No need to say blog page, just say blog, just the name of the page. That's it. And say generate. It's going to generate the page, publish it, and then hang it on your navbar because you said it should hang it there. So as a page is being generated, you will see here it will say generating. Okay, that shows your page is still being generated. You will know when it's done generating your page. So the LLMs, those models now are working together to put together your page, your order of the page. All right, they will fetch the pages, the dummy images, all right, and scaffold your image, your page for you. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, so once that's done, it will open the editor, page editor, because you can always edit the page. You can drag and drop items in the page, so it opens the editor for you to confirm. So it tells you here that it has created the page called blog, and this is the slug of the say save layout, update, and then publish. You see, we already changed the layout. Okay, the hero image. That's how you do that. We're gonna do more things subsequently as we go along. So this is the end of this video, so make sure you tune in for the next one.